Alright guys, welcome back to Stuck on the Farm, where I'm stuck with you guys and we are always smiling. So right now the time is 10 minutes after 7. We've been up from about 6:05 in the morning. Yeah, so the first thing that I do every single morning is to set up the solar panel so I can have everything charged up. You guys might know that I have this ICECO fridge that I've been using. We've been out here from Saturday. It is now Wednesday, so the fridge has been operating from ever since. And I've been doing a 2-product combo, because what I use with the ICECO fridge is actually my Anchor powerhouse power bank. And if I'm to give you guys a quick review on it, it's been going pretty good. If I have it charged up from 100%, it will give me until the next morning, so probably like 12 hours till the next morning, with like 33% usually it runs with. So the fridge itself doesn't use that much power, and the power bank gives it just as amount of power that it actually needs, so it runs pretty good. Take off my drink there. So yeah, just to show you guys, I know people always ask me like, how do you do this and what are you using and blah blah blah. So you guys might see in there we have some water, we have True Shake, we have a beer, we have some seasonings. So when the rabbit was butchered yesterday, we actually had the rabbit meat in here. Yeah, and that's basically been it. Right now it's at -1 degree, so in the day what I do actually, I normally drop it to about -8 or so, because it gets really hot. So I want to give it, additional power to, withstand that heat. You notice that it just chipped on, you hear the sound. And in the nights, I put it back to like -2 or -1, because it's a lot cooler then, so it doesn't have to struggle as much to operate. And power bank, like I said, is at 35%. Actually, last night I had this at about 50%, because yesterday it was a gloomier day. If you guys saw the last video, you know that yesterday was a little bit more gloomy. And what I liked about it was, I think the battery had about 30%. I charged up the power bank with the van, got it up to about, I think it was about 50%, and I powered the fridge for the entire night. I just made it use a lot less energy by popping it into the eco mode, and with the eco mode it consumes less energy. And I woke up today with 35%. So yeah, the fridge and that power bank working together has been like super amazing. But anyhow, just to touch on the solar panels just a bit. So the solar panel was left up here the whole of yesterday. We did have some rains last night. In the country you'll have dew, so yeah, the solar panels still take power in. So I'm not sure if it's fully 100% waterproof, but I can definitely say it will withstand with a light shower. But like I said, in the nights I put it away, and in the morning I do the setup again. Right now it's the early morning, so it's only taking in about like 8 watts of energy right now. But when it gets to like close to like 11 midday and so, it will go as far as like 87-90 watts of energy being pulled in. So at the end of the day, it will take about 6.5 hours with decent sunlight throughout the day to actually go back to full charge. As you guys notice, along the farm, walking around every single day, there are ducks here. And Farmer Jess was like, yo, I want you to get a duck, have it butchered up, and then have it cooked up. I've never cooked duck before, so I'm gonna cook it in a style that I can trust, I know will work. And yeah, so we're gonna try to do maybe a whole fried duck today. The duck here is pretty lean, they say, so I shouldn't be worrying too much about the fats. And then we're gonna add a little Chinese twist to it, with some Hoisin sauce and stuff like that, to have that nice little dipping gravy or whatever. And that should be a vibe. Today's my last day here actually. Just to give you guys a quick feedback on how I feel about this place. I have not missed home any whatsoever. I mean, it's all down to having a cool drink, because trust me, when you're camping and you have something that's icy, it just makes the whole experience feel a lot more homely. And having power, so we can power the any form of electricals inside the tent, whether it's watching movies in the night, or just for lighting, or charging the cameras, the drones, whatever. So far I've been pretty impressed. So anyway, let's get to the part where well, first I got a shower, and then I will get the duck. In Jamaica we have a term that says you get what a duck gets. Yikes. Farmer Jess, are you ready to get what the duck gets?
Oh yes, ready.
Which one of the ducks are you looking to have for lunch today?
On the 2 meals.
2?
Yeah.
Oh
About
yeah.
6 pounds.
Okay, cool. That makes sense. All right, so we can do 2 meals and thing. Guys, Farmer Jessie is shy. She's a shy one, so if you see her not looking at the camera sometimes or not really talking, she's a shy individual, but we're so happy that she actually was brave enough to trust us on the farm.
Yep.
So the first things that obviously happens in the morning is take care of the animals. So we'll have the pigeon feed, the rabbit feed, everything like that, so everybody can eat.
Budget feed finished, I give them the crumble with crackers.
So is that chicken feed crumble?
Yeah,
Okay, with crackers.
yeah, don't none feed the feed so like a weekly.
Oh, got you.
Everybody.
Always make sure a lot about this because the rabbits them will run out. But the budgies are like just the pets, yeah?
Yeah.
Got some pet budgies. I used to have budgies.
Oh. Let's still on this one then. Should I try to feed them the guava, but do take to the guava.
This rabbit here is literally eating my PJs. Like he was pulling on it just now, bro.
I'm going to coconut. Let's go and eat out there. Okay. Knock out this. I'm not too picky. All 2 days, you full of theme bowl it last one.
So I know that the person serious on the farm here, them go on. Yeah, my bro is not really camera. You know, he's not that kind of person. So if you don't see him on the camera, please understand. But tell us about like the farm life in terms of, because you wake up very early in the morning, right?
Yeah, up from 5 every morning, man.
5 every single morning.
And sometimes probably earlier than that. Gone to catch the sun, make sure the pimento them out so them can start dry. Check around the farm so you see any animals get damaged overnight or escape, you need to catch them back.
Got you.
All of them escape already through the hole.
Through the hole.
Oh,
Because they like to borrow, that's their natural tendency.
so when the rabbit can build now, we're going to cement around the foundation and leave the dirt in the middle for them to borrow.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, so you just have to check the animals every morning and make sure they feed and water.
Got you. Alright. Which animal would you say is like the hardest one to deal with? The goats?
I don't know, man.
Definitely the goats. Yeah.
No matter what you do for them, it's nothing.
Yeah.
Yeah. Them come and them belly big and fat so. And by you bring them in, them want divert or somewhere else.
Yeah, they always divert to the guavas over there.
Yeah, the guavas.
Every single day.
Or if they have mangoes that fall off of the tree, they got a problem with them. Because them besides them eat breadfruit, mango. They can't stop them unless they get a one tier site. I still don't know what you want there. The dog food that him gonna eat.
Oh yeah. So there's a
And him now get diarrhea. That's the surprising thing.
and that's the one that don't grow.
Yeah, he's like 10 months old and just stop. I grow hair alone. The hair and beard him start growing, start whiz on himself.
Oh my god. Fun fact what I learned here, guys, is that goats actually pee on their beards. Like, I never knew that. So when we in Jamaica saying like, oh, we like the goat meat when it rank, that's exactly what it is. And as bro has been telling me, he said to me that some people, they will actually, what do? They get the
Goat beard.
they rank.
Cut off the rank beard,
Yeah.
wash it and then dip it in the soup. So if they don't have the ram, they just use the goat beard.
So they cut off the goat beard, wash it into the rank.
Wash it, just keep it clean and then just dip it in the soup.
It's the essence of it.
Yeah, so just dip it in the soup and make it go on mellow in the soup a little bit and the soup get a little rank smell there.
Yeah.
And even if it's a female goat you cook.
It still has that rank, bro. It's good to be on a farm so you can learn what you're eating, bro. It's like, and here is Athena, the very curious Very, very curious Akita. Alright, so Jilly right now is doing up some breakfast at the moment. So we're trying to get some fuel in our bodies before we deal with the duck. Alright, come, so that's all. Mix it. On the goat them. I get a walk out and tie out and thing one more time. Oh, this goat pregnant? Yeah.
This is baking soda for the diarrhea.
Oh.
Yeah, baking soda helps them in our way.
Cool. What size goat normally best? Is the younger goats make more tender meat?
More tender meat, but normally them wait till them reach them size before them slaughter them. Slaughter a goat like this, like sure about 60 pounds, you probably get about 30 pounds of meat roughly. Probably get 30-35 pounds of meat off a goat like this. Yeah. So I'm trying to go for the bigger one now. But they're the butcher, when the butcher comes to buy them, the butcher I want to buy such a big goat because you don't want to pay a bag of money. And they want to pay less for she goat than they want to pay for the ram goat. So they normally go for the smaller ones in the slaughter. More like for breeding. I buy the boar and the newborn for breeding and buy the common goat them for the slaughtering.
Gotcha.
And then just mix the boar goat and the newborn with the big goat them. With the small goat them.
Yeah.
And get a nice size goat out of them after that. You get me? So I have a ram kid. The little brown and white kid one there. I think he weigh about 60-70 pounds now.
So what you're saying is that the butchers don't necessarily want to buy like the big goats.
No.
So you have a mixture of the Nubian or the boars then with the common goat.
The common goat, yeah. So
What?
I tend to go more for the common goat size because the common goat meat tastes better.
Okay.
Less bone to meat ratio. With the boar and the newborn now, more meat to bone. You get me? So it probably take longer for the seasoning soak or whatever.
Got you.
So the common goat seasoning soak better, flavor more better. So she now, she's a mix with the boar and the common goat. She about 2-3 months and she not grow too bad. And then I think about 1 month older now. Same mix with the boar and the common goat. I use the purebred boar. End up on a 90 or 100 pounds. Them don't want to buy that. You get me? But more like events after a man who want to breed in again.
So being on the farm, it's a lot of work. Like every single day you just have to be out here just doing stuff, carrying out goats or whatever the case is. Now it's just so funny that even though you can buy the top quality goat meat or whatever the case is, some butchers might not take it because they feel like, oh my gosh, because it's taking out goat, they almost got me. They might just find that the meat is just too much for them to be able to purchase in just one go. So it's just it's a lot to take in, every single morning waking up, taking out all the animals and stuff like that. And yeah, what I kind of find always cool is just how they always have just the moms tied up, and then from the mommy being tied up, the kids just stay there. They don't do anything at all. They won't run away from the mom at all. So that's goat breeding 101, farming, homesteading. It's a vibe. Farmer Jess actually wanted us to cook up a goat, but I was just like, I think it's a lot of meat. I could probably do that another time that I'm here. what's for breakfast?
Boiled dumpling, powdered fruit, and corned beef.
That's good.
Nothing can waste on these days.
Just got some breakfast. So now we have some fuel to start the day.
It happened faster than you expect.
Alright, so some wood I go and chop up right now to deal with the duck. I'm gonna try help out so we can get this thing done faster. So this and that and whatever, but so you see the man that work on construction and farming trunk. A beer abs and abs up, you know. Yeah, see, brother. That chopping and heavy lifting. So we just dealing, breaking down this pimento wood, the size, so that we can have good burning. And probably the wood chips you can use, probably take some of this home. Not like, you know, you do not have to smoke. Smoking some duck or something. You can use it. Alright, so cut up those pimento wood. Water about to boil. It's gonna be my time to help catch this duck. Which spotting gone?
No, that the one she want me look for.
Baby yourself, baby yourself. Come on. Okay. So the duck. So we're going for the black one, the white one? Yes. Is there a part, would they peck?
Scratch.
They will scratch.
Yeah.
With their feet?
Yeah. Talons.
I don't want, is there a way for like not startling him like this?
Try to sneak up on him. Alright guys, try to back him up. It gone up. It gone up. Yeah, just grab him and that's it.
Oh, God. With help of Farmer Jess, we got the duck. Oh my God. Come on. Is there a way to like restrain him from this point?
Hold the wings.
Just hold the wings like this?
No, hold the wings alone. Just
That
hold
won't hurt
both wings together.
Together, like?
Yeah, and just hold underneath it, yeah. So just bring up both wings and just grip underneath the wings. Yeah, and just hold it at the base now. Just give it a firm grip at the base.
Here?
Yeah. So that would prevent him from scratching and everything.
Okay.
Yeah.
Wow. Alright, so the duck is now gone off to, yeah.
So you want to be here now?
So do I, Julie. I pray for all them when they pass.
Oh my god.
You did it all ago?
No.
Oh.
So you mentioned that for the duck feathers to be plucked, it has to be constant hot water, hotter than even what you use for chickens, right?
Yeah, it has to be hotter than the use for chickens. Because the duck feather is more water resistant.
Oh!
You know the saying, water off a duck's back? Alright, start slide out easy now. But I'm still holding, so the water well hot. So them just come out easy. Or you go fight with it and you go possibly just tear up the skin.
Yeah. This is like the coolest part about farm life, you know, homesteading, is that, yo, we're about to eat duck. And in Jamaica, like the Kingston area, duck of this size are probably running you for somewhere about 8,000 dollars, yeah?
And that not cooked yet.
And it has not even been cooked.
You want a duck dead? If you use it for Donald. Donald good man.
I wonder if the food can make duck soup, but you know if it's that.
No Paris. Camera shy. Oh. No.
So we got gizzard, heart, kidney. I'm gonna fry that up. Alright, so we're by the fire now. What I'm gonna do, we don't really have much space to do our cutting up and stuff, so we're gonna put it here on the cutting board, do a bit of cutting up, and then get it washed off and clean, you know, vinegar and water and stuff like that. I'm just hoping and praying that this is going to be small enough to fit into the fryer. I know it's rather weird for many, but this is where your food comes from. It's a part of the preparation. After the times Thanksgiving, you know, you see the duck, you see the turkey, you see all that on the plate for people in the US, or even the chicken, but you just eat. Alright, so usually for the spatchcock we'll go from the back. I think I might want to use a scissors for this. So with the scissors, I should get a little bit more play with this. I think not. old school. So some persons remove the back, which I think I will do the same. So here, backbone. All right. Good thing about the farm, everything's either we going to be eating it or the dogs can have it, so nothing really goes wasted here. And then try to break the breastplate. Break it as much as we can. Alright, there we have it. Under the duck, it's normally a bit of fat between the skin and the meat itself. This one isn't so bad actually, so I wouldn't complain too much about it. And it's a nice fryer size, I would say. Trying to get rid of any more excessive feathers, even though these will fry off. And yeah, so we're going to season it up now. All right, we have the meat all cleaned up. I actually have my little special seasoning rub. It's a blend that I made for myself. Eventually I might just start bottling these things, because yeah, it's hard to like always be saying, oh, I have this pimento, garlic, blah, 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 whatever, you get the idea. So just adding this rub all over to it. But really and truly, I think the main kicker, apart from this being nice and crispy, the main kicker is supposed to be from the sauce that we're making. So we're gonna try to replicate something like a Chinese sauce, because you know Chinese or the Asian people are pretty good with making duck. It's not really a cultural thing here in Jamaica as far as I'm concerned. So that's going to be the kicker. As soon as we put on that sauce on there. We decided to go with the whole fried method because it should give us a nice and tender meat, and to me it's easier to cook this way too, because if it was left up to me I would try the Peking duck, but that takes about 3 days I believe, because it's a process, you know, aerating the skin, you know, so the skin is separated, it's nice and seasoned in size rub. And yeah, should be able to go nice and flat in the pan to a degree. Do a nice little duck whole fry cook up. Jilly and Kiana just worked on the coleslaw just now, so that should be good. So I'll go catch up at the fire real quick.
I might just cook it with it, just for cooking sake. And then feed them it or put it in them dog food. So the gizzard is for jelly. Oh, the stuff it like.
I'll be a thing those stuff gizzards.
Fresh ginger. So this one we're doing a little Hoisin sauce. We're gonna use that garlic as well. Very important. Some sorrel flowers. Just like that floral aroma from it. And it gives a nice little color as well. Pimento whole cloves. I was going to use some onion. I might try to fit it in, but it's, you know, I'm gonna try. Drop it in there whole. And the bird is a perfect size. And it's gonna add our stone that we use for drying our ingredients. Add some weight so that the breastplate is more closer to the hot pan, so it can cook a lot more even on the inside. Usually it's the inside that you want, you know, the breast cavity, that's where you want to get cooked. And then we have all the seasonings, so the sorrel, the pimento, the pepper, the onion, that's right underneath it. Some of the moisture that's locked inside is going to be helping the chicken as well to stay moist. And then all of those flavors are going to just go right into the oil as well. You can use that, you don't have to use that, it don't really matter. For me, if I can milk as much flavor into the duck, I'm definitely going to do it. Because the pan is not as big, I'm just going to, you know, keep tossing some oil in the parts that's not getting enough oil. I actually added more oil to the pot, so it's a lot more emerged. So far looking good. Can't wait to try this duck.
So I'm putting together a duck sauce that we're going to be having with the duck. I've used some soy sauce, there is oyster sauce, we have a Chinese marinade, brown bean sauce, some honey and hoisin sauce. You notice there's some ginger, I have some roasted garlic, and I put a half a scotch bonnet pepper in there. I'm going to be adding some more brown sugar to it. And after I'm done, I'm going to put it on the fire and have it simmer.
So because you know that the pot isn't so big, you kind of have to cover up a little bit out of the pot so the neck part can definitely get fried up. You realize getting some nice color at the moment. Looking good. I'm just looking right off on all of Farmer Jess's growth. Trust me, if it wasn't up to me and Farmer Jess, somebody would have gotten curried. But I prayed for them. So follow the next time. So you realize how the onion frying up. When you do it this way, for me personally, my experience is that it don't burn as fast. You know, if you cut up onion and you throw it in the fire, you'll burn right up. You keep it in the shell and everything, all those flavors go take the time and just disperse into the oil same way. You understand? That's why I like keeping it whole, the skin and everything. So it's been on the fire for about like 30-40 minutes and it's going good. The ginger holds up pretty well. The pepper already burned up already, so it's fast and the sorrel burned up a long time. So the vibe. Alright, so we just sort out some Hoisin sauce with some ginger, some pepper, some honey, so the nice little sweetness. We don't want it too thick, we just want it to be able to drizzle over the duck, because that is what will give the duck a set off type of flavor, you see me? Trust me, it's a perfect execution by Jilly and Kian upon this. It's really good, really exceptional. Yo, just so you know, again, it's just a goat in the back for me, yo. Not you.
I am the goat.
So the boss say, alright, so guys, if you love content like this, you guys appreciate, you know, me trying to go out there and explore our culture, because trust me, since I've been here, I've never seen farmer just go to the supermarket and buy chicken or meat or anything like that. This is just sustainable homesteading that we see happening here. So if you appreciate content like that, yo, make sure you drop a like on the video, drop a comment, you know, share your views, your thoughts. You could be a vegan, you just don't like the whole fact that duck was cooked in this video, you know, share your thoughts and stuff. You see me? Drop a like on the video, share, drop a like on the video, double share. You see me? We appreciate it. Anyway, we'll get back to some cooking right now, but bless up for the likes, shares, and comments. Nice little whole fried duck. It's nice and crispy. It's a bit different to chicken because it's bigger, and the meat is not like typical white meat, so. You might notice that duck meat has a completely different color to chicken meat. What I think I go do, I think I'm gonna cut the breast a bit thinner. Decadently put it down on the plate. You might realize we still have the fats on the cutting boards. We have mashed potato and gravy. Now, get some breast of chicken, of duck, in a very decadent light in delectable way. And now, a Hoisin. We drizzle it with a lot of love and character. Now, just to show appreciation, a drizzle of ginger on top. Do not bite into this, this might burn. And lastly, a slaw. Gilly's famous coleslaw. I like drip in a drizzle. And now our dish is done. Don't know, bro. Help with the butchering, so he eats first.
Alright.
And he will tell us
Let's
what
see.
he thinks.
There's a 5-star on the farm.
Yo, our vibes, bro. Respect.
Yeah, man.
Tastes good.
I'm just ordered from a restaurant.
And we're getting a nice jelly to finish off our dish. Wow. Alright, so right now Jilly and I are going to go take a shower. It's about to rain right now. So if the rain comes down, you don't know, so the river water is gonna be a little bit more rough. Yo Jilly, what do you think of the food today? How was it?
The food was really good, guys. The duck was crispy and nice and succulent, and the sauce was amazing. I mean, what can I say? I made it.
We had thing there. We had avocado with it as well. That wasn't shown in the video, but it was good. Like, I went out, got the ingredients for the sauce, but told Jilly and Kiana to just sort it out with it. You know, Jilly is part Chinese. Is that right?
Yeah.
Yeah, don't be afraid to say it. She's part Chinese, so you know, and she's had a lot of experience having that sauce. Maybe I did, I don't quite remember. So anyway, got that. It was really good, guys. Remember to drop a like on the video if you appreciate content like this. We're gonna take a shower because I did mention a couple of videos back that I'll take you for a shower and show you guys, you know, where we shower. I don't quite want to show you where we have to go and use a bathroom because it's a whole different story, but trust me, it has been glorious. I won't lie, this is my favorite camping. Yo, this morning there was like a cicada in my van. It was the very first time I was up close and personal cicada, and it was loud. Yo, I can't wait to come back when this whole water hole one day gets filled with like water, because it looks like it's about what?
Oh, 5 feet.
It's 5 feet.
Deeper than that?
When it's full to the gray area, it's like about 15, 20
Really?
feet. Yeah. I'm telling you, bro. I can feel the rain droplets coming down. Oh yeah. This is where we showered a couple mornings ago, like yesterday morning, right?
Yeah.
We're really coming back around this side because we left some pots around here. Well, we left the grill around here. So I'm gonna pick it up as we leave tomorrow. So if you guys want to see us do our last dish, which is a cornmeal pudding, drop it in the comments and I'll make one for breakfast. Yeah, it's quite simple to do, and Jilly will give it a review. Yeah, so now we're at the scientific spot and we are going to shower. God bless Jamaica. I don't normally promote beauticians and them thing there on the channel and stuff like that. It's normally outdoor stuff. But yo, big up to Jilly Nail Tech because this has been on for how long?
Over 2 weeks.
More than 2 weeks,
Yeah,
bro.
right here.
And you've been doing outdoor cooking in this, and what it won't
So
feel
many,
now.
yeah,
It need to be filled right now, but like this has been on for 19 or long and them hard to drop off, and I've seen other females with them nails drop off and like
Big up
doing
yourself,
nothing.
Camille, Bedazzle Nails. She's
Shout her
always,
out,
she's
shout
in
her out.
Portmore. Camille, thank you so much for my nails. Bedazzle Nails, guys, by Camille. You can check her out on Instagram. She's really amazing. The nail show.
Like I say, that's not normally my thing, but I've been noticing them and it's ridiculous how good them hold on. So big up yourself, Camille. Alright guys, so we got done with our shower and we're currently watching a movie. You guys might be able to hear the rain on the tent top, so yeah. Want to end the video here. Remember the two things: love nature and adaptation, and always remember, keep the link.
Sorry about happy. Never mind.
Life teaches us something new every day, if you choose to take notes. Being on Farmer Girl Jess's farm taught me a little bit more of a humbler life and how to live more sustainably. Yeah, you didn't see Jess trying the duck, as she had to rush off into town that day. I'm just happy we got to slow down for a bit. Special shout out to Bro Butcher for helping us out so much on the farm. You too, a student of life, shared some valuable lessons from life's notebook.